Let's see.
This is the water test for the 3D printed lure from the series, the 3D printed lure. So, if you haven't been following along, episode 1, 2, 3, and 4, we 3D printed a lure, and we're going to water test it today in this video.
Y'all remember that lure? Let's give it a good old test in here. It's a little bit heavy for this rod and reel. Did you cast your bread off? Yeah, that swims pretty good. Might be a little bit too big for this pond, but it swims good. Look at that shimmy on that thing.
Do you think the bass, the catfish are going to come out today?
Huh?
Do you think the catfish are going to come out today?
Oh, they might. Catfish were out yesterday. Yeah, if you keep chumming them with all that bread out there. That's a good looking lure. I'm about to print some more of those. I have to color them a different color though. I don't know if this shad color is going to work good in these ponds. It's a little heavy. Huh? Do what, babe? There's probably some big old bass in here. You got to catch the small ones to get through the big ones. Oh, I forgot to bring the krill basket. I like to keep about 4 or 5 of them today. Yeah. Huh? This lure would probably work really good at High Falls, where they have a lot of shad. It thumps. Huh? This is my first 3D, or my second 3D printed lure. I could print another one, but yeah, it might be slightly disheartening. Huh? Do what?
Could that break easily?
What, this lure? Yeah. I don't know. That's another thing I'll have to test is the durability of, huh? It's a big old fish right there. It's a catfish. I wonder if he'll eat this lure. Let me see.
Maybe.
Oh.
That might be a carp. No.
That's a big old catfish.
Yeah. So I would try to cast it.
Yeah, I cast it over there.
It's still wet.
You know what he's eating? The bread you cast it off. Dang. Yeah.
With God as our guide, we're chasing the light. From sunrise to stars.
She cast it off again?
Every trail we wander, every dream we seek.
Denver, there's some white grubs, white grub lures that float on top of the water that you can put on that hook and cast out there and let it float next to that and then move it when he gets close. Want to try it?
Hearts open wide, faith, family, and fun with the Lord by our side. Oh, Dadventures unleashed, come join the ride, where the wild meets the wonder of life.
He's over there underneath that tree. That was a horrible cast by me.
Dadventures unleashed.
Alright, I like how this lure works, but I think it's the wrong time of year for it, so we're going to go to something else.